So welcome to this trading session recap. As I mentioned in the last video, I was looking for a bearish setup. So I was talking about, we were like here. So the other trade idea would be that we get a sell-off from this level down here. So either, and I wanted to see a manipulation of this high before taking a trade lower, because this one was the drawn liquidity for me for the day. Unfortunately, it didn't go up there, but we managed to get a trade, a very good trade, and I'm going to walk you through it. So I'm not going to speak about why I was bearish for the day, because you can see that in the other video. But we were, if I can just replay this to this time here. So when I was making the video, the price was here, and for me, one forward. So when we got this closure beyond these up close candles, I was treating this as an order block. So for me, the trade I was looking for is, I wanted the price to go back to this and trade lower, and it did. So as soon as I marked this level, I made an alert, and when the price came back there, it was around the 10 a.m. Candle. So I went down to the 2-minute time frame. I'm going to show you why I took the trade I took. So for my trade model, I need to see a CSD, a chain state of delivery, and it needs to happen in an important level that I'm monitoring. So for us, it was that order block, the hourly order block right here. So when the price came back into this, and we got that, let's see if I can show you exactly. So this is the candle that I was treating as the CSD, and the reason for that is, if we look at the left, I'm gonna just mark it out. So it's not the best structure, but if you look at it like this, it was like a higher high, higher low. We had an SMT there also. Higher high, higher low, higher high. And you see, when we came below this level, I confirmed it as a change in state of delivery. So next, the thing I did was to look at the order flow. So I have the footprint charts. I'm looking for weakness of the buyers, because I have like a bearish bias. So the first thing, after we closed this under this level, I'm gonna just mark it out like this so that you can see it. The next thing I was looking for is a stacked buying imbalance level that got violated. So for me, it was this one right here that I was going to look for to trade off. See these stacked imbalances of the buying here. So when we got that violation, you see my trade, I took it like right there. So if you missed, maybe if you didn't get in this one, you could go in on this one. And the reason for that is that we already got our confirmation of the change in the trend, and we were looking for lower prices. So for me, because I've seen this many times, I could actually take the trade right here. You see, when we broke this one, this level, that 2-minute candle, with this one, so the retest, I took my entry and my stop loss was above this. But if I wanted to, make more confirmation or have more confirmation, then I would wait for the price to break this low, that was the higher low, and look to trade any sign of weakness of the buyers here. So that was why I was marking this level also, so that wanted to show you, if you missed this entry right here, you don't have to be afraid, because either we will have a retest of this level here, or even if we were going to break lower, we can look for imbalances here. So for example, let's say you missed all those entries here, this one and that one, and you wanted to get along with the trade. So then I would look for anything that's broken, you know, the bullish effort of taking the prices higher. For example, yeah, we can look at this stacked imbalance level here, like that. And you see, at the retest, we have two, and because after we broke this one didn't test it, but this one did here and here. So you could actually get along in the trade, and our target was this low. It was just too clean. You have, you know, these equal lows and also a very bearish buy. So I just knew that this will take the low right there. I was looking to take more trades because if you see the last video, I was talking about, you know, when we go to this level, if we break it or close with an hourly candle beyond it, then I would want to see a consolidation and trade the manipulation of it. So in this case, I would actually look at this whole thing here. You see, this was just a big range, all right? But as soon as we manipulated away from it and closed back and also had an CSD right here, then I would look to trade this one lower. So this was the trade that I took and the reasons why I took it. And this is also a trade that I would take, but it was not in my preferred time window, and that's why I didn't take it. And this is what I had to say about this session. I see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.